If you could solve your business procrastination problems in 10 minutes, would you do it? We've talked a lot about how hard it is to run a business. We've talked about the importance of staying on top of those important marketing, business, and customer service tasks that are vital to your success. But sometimes we really just don't want to do it. I know, I get it. Everyone has parts of their job that they don't want to do. But ignoring those tasks doesn't make them go away. They will sit there and pile up, and this will hurt your chances for business success. So what if we could fix all of that in just 10 minutes? Hey there, it's Chris with Footbridge Media. Let's take some time to talk about the 10-minute rule and how we can use it to overcome procrastination and develop stronger habits to improve yourself and your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more contractor marketing, business tips, and tricks. So what is the 10-minute rule? You break out the 10-minute rule whenever you have a task that you really don't like doing. Get yourself ready to work on the task, break out your phone, and set a 10-minute timer to force yourself to work on that hated task. You can muscle through it for 10 minutes, forcing yourself to work on that task you hate. Don't check your phone. Don't get distracted. Just focus all of your efforts and your brain power on that task and that task only. Don't stop working until you hear that 10-minute timer alarm going off. When the timer does go off, take a step back and ask yourself a few questions. Number 1, did you finish at least one iteration of the task? If you couldn't, then your tasks likely need to be broken up further so you can make your target thing that you hate doing at least doable once in a 10-minute time period. If it's already a pretty simple task and you just couldn't muster the focus, get something else done, take a break, and come back later to try it again. Question number 2, did you feel like you really needed to stop when the alarm went off, or could you go for longer? If you could continue to do so. Feel free until your next major to-do comes up. And question number 3, how did you feel when you finished the task? Did you feel accomplished? Or do you still hate doing that task? The point of the 10-minute rule is to push you past your procrastination breaking points, to force yourself to try it, to expose yourself to the thing that you don't like so you can get past that initial hesitancy and discomfort, and to show you that perhaps it isn't so bad after all. So what things are important to you and your business that you hate that are a good candidate for the 10-minute rule? For a lot of contractors, asking for the review and feeding a review management system is likely a good option. That's one that we hear a lot of complaints about. Doing follow-ups on cold leads could also be on that list. Find the best bits of your business that you hate, that you still know are important, and test out the 10-minute rule on them today. If you need a little bit of help getting motivated with your business success, Footbridge Media is here to help. You can always check us out online at footbridgemedia.com.